Introducing Craft-A-Flower Carnation Layering Die Set. You're going to see on the side the inks used to create the images shown, and step by step how to layer together each of the beautiful carnations included. You also can see there are 4 dies included with this set. On the front you can see the triangle, the leaves, and the arrow. And there's an image of what you could create with this set. We're going to go ahead and get started with triangle 1. We'll layer triangle piece 2 on top. Layer triangle piece 3 on top of that. Triangle piece 4. Triangle piece 5 on top of that. Triangle piece 6. Triangle piece 7. Triangle piece 8. And then we're going to follow that outline and layer to cover up that triangle. And on to the arrow flower. We'll layer piece 2 on arrow piece 1. Piece 3 will layer the arrow on top of piece 2. Piece 4 will layer on top of piece 3. Piece 5 will layer on top of piece 4. Piece 6 will layer on top of piece 5. Piece 7 on 6. And finally, we have that little moon shape that covers up that arrow. And that completes both of our beautiful carnations. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your beautiful carnation project. We can't wait to see it. Here is some inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Craft-A-Flower carnations and other available products, please make sure to visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.